Hello guys. If your Hisense portable air conditioner suddenly stops heating the room properly or the warm air feels weaker than expected, it can absolutely upsetting, especially during colder days. Sometimes the unit powers on but only pushes cool or room temperature air, while other times heating starts and then suddenly feels inconsistent. A problem like this can happen because of temperature settings, airflow restrictions, drainage buildup, or temporary system interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many heating problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Hisense portable air conditioner not heating properly. Try these. Step 1. Check heat mode on the Hisense portable air conditioner and confirm heating stays selected. Step 2. Raise the target temperature on the Hisense portable air conditioner if the room feels unchanged. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the Hisense portable air conditioner if airflow feels weak. Step 4. Check the drain section of the Hisense portable air conditioner for moisture buildup. Step 5. Restart the Hisense portable air conditioner briefly to refresh heating operation. Step 6. Test the Hisense portable air conditioner again and confirm warm airflow improves normally.